everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Everybody's having a great day. It's pretty wet here in BC, but we'll see what happens. I hope everybody's staying safe. It's not getting any better, unfortunately, and we don't know when the border will be open. Maybe at the end of August, but we have no idea. Alright, I have an unboxing today from Fashionphile. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. And if you're returning, thanks so much for your support. Make sure you hit the bell so you're notified every time I upload videos, and it's at least once a week, most of the time twice a week. Alright, so let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. Alright, got my blade. Got the box, and let's go ahead and see what I got here. Now this one had no shipping on it, but it did have duty. So if you're international and you're going to be ordering anything from Fashionphile or Rebag or Yogi's Closet, any of those, you may have shipping plus duty fees, so just keep that in mind when you're looking at the item. Sometimes they're worth it, sometimes they're not. So keep that in mind. Alright. Okay, got the Fashionphile Party in a box. Alright. Got the Fashionphile. So there you go. I like my money where I can see it hanging in my closet. That's on the other side there. Okay. Fashionphile. Some more confetti. Got my receipt with the little Fashionphile at the back here. Alright. Used is the new. Alright. Okay. And that's just basically the Fashionphile box. Put all that back in there. Alright. It's a Fendi item. Very hard to get. So when I saw this, I put it on layaway because I thought maybe the border would be open by now, but we don't know when it's going to open. So anyways, oh, okay, I got a box, so that was good. Alright, they gave me a box. I wasn't sure if I was going to get the box. It just said excellent condition and dust cover, but it didn't say a box, so that's cool. That's a bonus. Alright, I got, oh, they gave me a Fashionphile dust cover, so that was nice. Okay, well that's cool. Use that for something. Alright, and this one has all the tags on it. It hasn't even been used, so that's pretty remarkable, actually. Remove the tag and you own the bag. Well, this is a monster, but this is FUSTO. And that's gonna go with my yellowed-eyed Fendi monsters. But it has all the tags on it. It hasn't even been clipped off or anything. All new tags. It's never been used. It's amazing. Yeah. So if you ever see any Fendi monsters, especially this one is very hard to find, you need to grab it because it will go fairly quick. And if you want to see a updated Fendi monster video, let me know. And I'll be more than happy to put one together for you. Alright, hi Fosco. You either love these or you hate them. And these are very, 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 very expensive because of the fox fur and the leather. So to get one in this kind of condition is pretty remarkable. It's, like I said, it's never even been used. Okay, so the only thing that's missing is the, oh, it even came with the authenticity card. Okay, so the only thing that's missing is the original Fendi dust bag. Okay, well that's fine. I got the box and I got all the tags, so that's fine. Alright, so that's what Fosco looks like. And I'll put a picture of him in Instagram. So make sure you follow me at susansrstyle. Alright, so this is pretty cool. Alright, so that's my unboxing for today. I hope everybody's staying safe. Until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a good week, guys. Thanks for watching.